$1,729.90 I spent on StockX for this pair of Air Jordan 1s. Are they legit? Let's unbox them and let's find out. This is an older pair of Air Jordan 1s, a very expensive pair of Air Jordan 1s, a very hyped pair, a very sought after pair of Air Jordan 1s. I am hoping, of course, that these are legit, because after so many years of this release, the fakes have gotten better and better and better. So it's gonna be harder to tell what's real and what's fake. But luckily, behind me in my own collection, I own this sneaker. So in this video, not only are we gonna unbox them from StockX and make sure that they're real, we're also gonna compare them to an authentic pair as well, and we're gonna put them on the apps to make sure that these are indeed 100% authentic from StockX. Right here we have the brown Air Jordan 1 box, which means you guys know it can only be one of two things. These are very expensive, a grail, a sought after sneaker. If you own this shoe, please leave a comment down below in the comments and let me know. If you do own it, comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you don't own this sneaker, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who owns this pair and who does not. If you guys can get this video up to 300 likes, I'm gonna do a UNC Toe Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, and make sure you guys give me a follow over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Right here we have a size 13, not my size. Shout out to Todd. Todd got these for $25 over on my Instagram. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. Shout out to Todd. He's getting this pair right here. He got them for $25, which is insane. But right here we have the StockX receipt. And once again, $1,729.90 later. Wow, that's a lot of money for a pair of sneakers, especially to be spending on StockX. That's a lot. This is like my most expensive purchase on StockX. When you get into the 1,000+ range, you feel a little bit less comfortable spending that money compared to spending maybe $200, right? The more expensive it is, the more nervous you get. So let's open these up and let's see. We have the pink Travis Scott tissue paper. I'm excited for these. These are a grail. A must-have for a lot of people. I know that. These are so sought after, and here they are. The Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 High OG Mocha. The OG colorway, the first Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. These are fire. These are crazy. These are, in my opinion, have to be probably top 3 Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. They're definitely up there in my opinion. These are crazy. They do come with all the accessories. The pink laces did fall off. Not a big deal, but they are right here. And everything else is here. We have all of the laces, except for the pink one attached. That fell off, but we do have all the others attached, as well as that beautiful StockX hang tag. So now that we unboxed them, I want to go ahead and compare them to my pair that's in my personal collection, and then I want to put them on the apps to test and make sure that these are 100% legit. I bought these from StockX. Are these Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s legit? Let's find out. My pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s that were purchased when they released shortly after, and we have the pair from StockX in this video that I just unboxed. Let's compare these to make sure that these are indeed legit, and then we're gonna put them on the apps to make sure as well. This is my personal pair that's in my collection. This is the pair I just bought from StockX. You guys can see the Nike Air difference. The Nike Air is bigger on the StockX pair that I just bought versus my collection pair because this is a size 13. This is a size 11. When it comes to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, size 13, 14, they do have bigger tags in comparison to the other sizes. And the same applies for the writing on the back of the Nike Air tag. This is my pair in my collection, size 11. This is the pair size 13 from StockX. You guys can see the text is bigger, but it's supposed to be like that because of the size difference. The lace bags are exactly the same size, the same exact colors with the laces, so that's a good sign. The pink laces are actually off of this one. They fell off, as you guys saw when I unboxed them. But nonetheless, the lace bags are exactly the same. Here's a look at my pair, and here's a look at the StockX pair size 13. Everything does look the same. Off camera, I did a big comparison. Everything's exactly the same when it comes to these. So far, everything looks legit. I just want to be sure a little bit more. Let's put these on the apps and let's make sure that these Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s from Stockx are legit. To do this legit check, I'll be using the Legit app. I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys go check out Legit app. This video is not sponsored. I just use the app personally, and I want to put you guys on. I'm going to click Start, and then it's going to give me a bunch of options. I am doing sneakers, of course. We're going to go to the Air Jordans, and we're doing, of course, the Air Jordan 1. Now, I'm going to take these photos, submit them, and let's get the results from Legit app. For this next photo, they want me to take out the insole, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Take out this insole, take these pictures of this insole, as well as the inside stitching as well. When you're taking your pictures, don't be afraid to use flash. Flash will definitely help and make it easier and make the picture a lot more visible. Take a picture of this size tag. All right, that looks good. The front tongue, the back of the tongue, and then we are good to go. I'm also going to include a picture of the box tag, the label of the box, to make sure and help with that as well. All right, save all those photos. Now let's take this picture of the box label. Now I'm going to take a picture of the box label. All right, that looks good. And I'm going to save and submit all of these photos. Hit continue. Let's wait for these results and let's see what they say. Before we take a look at the results, I want to give you guys a full 360 of this pair, and I want you to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do they look legit? Do they look off? Leave a comment. Let me know if you do own this sneaker. Comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you don't and wish you did, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who owns the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 OG High in the mocha colorway and who does not. These are absolutely fire. One of my favorite Travis Scotts. Now, the results are in. Let's take a look at these results. This is the Stockx tag that you get when you purchase something from Stockx. On the back of this, it says indeed verified authentic. They claim everything is 100% authentic. Well, you have some explaining to do, Stockx. Why in the world are these results what these are? I need an explanation because I am happy. These are indeed authentic. Thank you, Legit app. Make sure you guys check out Legit app with my link down below. This video is not sponsored. I just want to put you guys on to Legit app to help you with your legit checks. Make sure you guys click the link down below and check out Legit app. Thank you, Stockx. I had no problems with this order whatsoever, thankfully. Thank you. Thank you, Stockx. I spent a lot of money. This is like my most expensive purchase, and thankfully, no issues with this purchase. I purchased these on June 24th. Today's July 5th. And I got them in. So about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, not too bad. I'll take it. At the end of the day, this is a fire, straight fire pair of Air Jordan 1s. A grail, a must-have. These are awesome. Shout out to Todd. He's getting these for only $25, which is absolutely insane. Thank you, Stockx, for sending me a legit pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 High OG Mochas. Thank you. Over $1,700 was spent by me on this pair of Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts from Stockx. Let me know down below in the comments, what's your most expensive purchase from Stockx and how did it go? I hope it went smooth. When you're spending this much money, that is crazy to be spending so much money online. And for a pair of sneakers, that's a crap ton of money. $1,700. Over 17. That's a lot. Spending this type of money on a pair of sneakers, especially on Stockx, is very nerve-wracking. You're hoping that these are indeed legit. You actually get the product because it's such a hassle to go through a chargeback. You do not want to do that. And thankfully, nothing went wrong with this purchase. When spending so much, oh man, I am so happy nothing went wrong. This was a crazy expensive purchase. This gotta be up there. It might even be my most expensive Stockx purchase ever. If Stockx would have got this wrong, I would have been flipping out. I would have been so mad. So mad, but thankfully, these are indeed legit. They look good. This is a fire pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. And I'm happy Stockx got it right. These are indeed legit. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Run up those likes. Let's get this video up to 300 likes for a UNC Toe Air Jordan 1 giveaway here on YouTube. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.